Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 and what are the things you can do. So the first thing that you can try to do is that you just want to press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. So this is the first thing. Then you can perform, and this is like the power button right here that you just like press for 6 seconds. Another thing, you can perform a hard reset on the Wi-Fi to factory default settings. For the Wi-Fi, you can ensure the air purifier is turned on. Then you want to locate the brightness display button, the one with the sun icon, and press and hold the brightness display button for 7 seconds. It's going to be right here. And that's how we're gonna like reset the Wi-Fi. And now the Wi-Fi will reset to factory default settings and the air purifier will enter Wi-Fi connection mode. After the reset, set up air purifier on the new Wi-Fi system. So this is how we're gonna do it. So first, if you want to do the reset, you can press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. Try to turn it when it's going to be turned on and also turn it off. Then you can also, for the Wi-Fi, you're gonna just locate the brightness display button and you're gonna press and hold it for 7 seconds straight. And then it's going to, the Wi-Fi is going to reset to factory default settings. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.